Blessed and happy Saturday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters. Today is July 18, 2026. Our first reading for today is telling us that there are people in this world who are proud of their wickedness, proud of their evil deeds. Sadyang may mga tao na ipinangangandalaka o ipinagmamayabang ang kanilang mga masasamang asal at gawain. There are people who are not ashamed to do what is not right. Worst, they brag about their wickedness. Like the first reading says, they covet fields, they oppress people and their inheritance. Even in our gospel for today, Jesus himself has to move away because there are people who are really wicked and plan to kill him. The gospel says, and I quote, they plot a conspiracy to destroy him. The readings for today reminds us that there is a dominance of evil forces. There is a supremacy of wickedness. Sadyang lumalala ang issue ng corruption. Kung napapansin nyo, bumabalik ang mga krimen at droga. Dumadami ang mga issue ng nakawan sa gobyerno na hindi napaparusahan ang mga sangkot sa akusasyon. When these things happen, our responsorial psalm for today is a beautiful reminder and telling us to pray, Lord, do not forget the poor. But friends, there are poor people. Maraming mga naghihirap, maraming mga mahihirap. But I hope we are not the reason of their poverty and their experience of injustice. There are people who suffer. But I hope we are not the cause of their agony. We are not the reason of their endless experience of suffering. Yes, the gospel is telling us there is a physical presence of evil and wickedness around us. But my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, the failures and mistakes of others are never proof of our own holiness. Seeing their wickedness, their weakness, should move us to compassion rather than condemnation. When there are bad people, wicked individuals who desire to terminate or annihilate us, like Jesus, what do we need to do? Move. Meaning to say, don't fight back. Never repay evil with another evil. Stay away from violence. Stay away from violence because peace and love are the path of Jesus. Today, I challenge myself and you, my dear friends, never end your day with evil in your thoughts. Never end your day with hatred in your hearts. Matulog tayong may ngiti sa ating labi dahil sa kabutihang ating nagawa sa bawat araw. Let us clean our lips from hatred and violence. Stay away from wickedness. This is the challenge for today's gospel. Stay away from violence because the path of Jesus is peace and love. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends. Share it with your family. Make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.